What's up, YouTube? Vernon here from Vernon's Closet. How are you guys doing? I'm so glad you could join me back on my channel. I am here for another bag unboxing. I told y'all I was done with these bags, but I had to get one more bag, okay? I just had to do it. Let me tell you the story behind this bag and why it had to be done. Okay, so I go online, I look at one of my favorite brands, which is Kenzo, okay? And I see that a couple of seasons ago, they do these awesome, colorful, bum bags. They come in blue, they come in red, I think they come in green. They're such an iconic piece. And silly me thinking that they're such a classic piece that the store is still gonna carry them. They don't, actually, they don't carry them. I go online, look for them, can't find them anywhere. Can't find them on the website. The store doesn't carry them. I go inside the store, they don't carry them. The guy inside the store tells me, oh, that was from a few seasons ago, we no longer sell it. But I'm like, but it's such a classic looking piece. Like, I would think you guys would have something like this, like all year round. And he said, yeah, we changed our logo. And our old logo is on that bum bag. So, maybe if the same logo was on the bum bag, we'd still probably carry it. But I'm just like, really? I'm like, all from a logo change? Like, that's crazy to me. I tried to go on Rebag app to look to see if anybody was reselling it. I couldn't even find it used, y'all. Everybody who has the bag is obviously loving the bag, keeping the bag, and still using the bag. So the next best thing was this bag that I have that I'm going to unbox for you guys. It's a little plain. It's not as colorful as, the ones that I wanted, but it still does a trick because when I went inside the Kenzo store, I tried on this awesome sweater and it just went well with that sweater. I could see myself rocking this bag with that sweater and it just kind of all came together. So let's get right into it, you guys. Here it is. Oh my gosh. The dust bag is cute, it's simple. It has Kenzo on it. Really nice, really cute. All these dust bags I've collected from my bags, my goodness. I'm trying to think of new ways of using these dust bags, So let's unbag her and see what she looks like. Oh, look at that. So here is the bum bag. This is all leather. It has 3 different storage compartments. You have one in the front. You have a bigger one in the front. And it's got a pocket inside there, which is really cute. It says Kenzo right there. Really cute. Lots of storage in this bum bag. You wouldn't expect so much storage. And then you have another compartment in the back. Isn't that cute? Now I'm going to give you guys a feel of how deep it is. That's how deep it is. And it's pretty deep. Look how deep that is. Look how deep that is. My whole hand fits in there. My whole hand fits in there. And here is the buckle part. I really like the buckle hardware. It's really cute. It's got Kenzo on it, and you just take it apart like that. It snaps in, very satisfying how it snaps. Very satisfying. And very simple. You just put this on, like so. Look at that. And isn't that cute? And I have this yellow Kenzo sweater. Oh, it just looks beautiful sitting on top of the yellow sweater. It looks nice against this pink shirt I've got. But you can wear it, 3 different ways. You can wear it to the front, you can wear it to the back, or you can wear it around your waist, like a belt bag. And it's just so cute. What is different about the colorful bum bags that I was telling you guys about is that the colorful bags, Kenzo is in white. Kenzo is in white on those bags. And that's why I really like the bag. Because if I'm going to spend good money on a bag, honey, people going to know what bag I'm wearing, honey, okay? I know that sounds a little cheesy. You shouldn't be a label whore, but I don't care. I spend money, I'm going to be a label whore, okay? But yeah, but this, you know what, this, it does the trick. It's very subtle. It's not too flashy. You know, there's a lot of bum bags that look just like this. There's a lot of bum bags that are black, leather, you know, simple, you know, generic stuff going on with it. Nothing too special about it. I really do like also, I really do like the zipper hardware. It kind of reminds you of like a pin or something like that. Really cute. I like that detail of it. I really do like that detail. I want to know what kind of leather this is. Let me see if it tells me. But those colorful bum bags, oh, they're my favorite. I'm going to continue to look for those things until I can't look anymore, until I get sick and tired of looking for those online. But yeah, I really do like this bag. And I'm going to do some more vids on some of the clothing items that I got, especially with that yellow Kenzo sweater, and do a little haul for you guys. There it is, Kenzo bum bag, black leather. I assume this is real leather. I paid pretty good money, so it's real leather. It has to be. It better be. But yeah, guys, that's my unboxing, or unbagging in this case, of my Kenzo bum bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next video. All right. See you guys. Bye.